Hello all and welcome to this music theory video. Actually, this is for the music composition course, but it is a review of music theory. And in this video, we're going to discuss clefs. So you already know if you've ever taken any music theory courses. If you haven't, welcome. This is a surprise for you. But if you have, you'll notice in scores you will have what are called clefs. The topmost clef in most piano music would be the treble clef or the G clef. Reason being, the treble clef's middle loop, the little circle around it, has the line called G going through it. When you wrap around and you make that little circle that's like an ampersand, the loop has the line of G going through it. And how do you draw this mysterious G clef? You draw it by doing a slightly curved line going upward and in a circle around the top and go back around in a circle so that the G line goes right through it. Example, think of an ampersand. So think of an ampersand on your computer keyboard. That's kind of what the treble clef would look like. So I'm going to show you how to draw it in the next slide, and you're going to practice drawing it. Yes, there are going to be assignments in this course. This is one of them. So practice on your staff paper drawing this treble clef. Okay, so practice that a few times. I'm going to put this handout in the resources section, and on with the other clefs.